everyone, welcome back. This is DeRollo Nixon from Nixon Disability Law, coming to you as part of our Veterans Month campaign, in which we're bringing you a series of 30 videos for and about veterans that talk about the great ways these veterans impact our communities and also provide information they need to know and those who support them need to know that help build strong VA disability claims. So today we're going to talk about an interesting topic that is becoming increasingly important: the relationship between VA benefits and Social Security disability. So, I'm sure many of you know veterans where they got service connected, they even got to 100%. And I don't mean with IU, but it could be with IU, individual unemployability. But they got to 100% and then they turned around and applied for their Social Security disability benefits, or SSDI benefits, believing that those would be granted, that it would be easy peasy. And then they were shocked when they were turned down for benefits. Well, today and in the subsequent videos, we're going to explain some more about the relationship between the two benefit systems that they are to help veterans best prepare for how to handle a Social Security disability application, and also what to do when they are denied. And of course, 66 to 90% of the time, people's Social Security disability applications are denied, and therefore you should expect a denial. And of course, what should you do in those circumstances? You should call an experienced Social Security disability lawyer like yours truly. All right, so what are we dealing with when we talk about Social Security disability? Okay, and this of course is aimed at veterans. What we're dealing with are two different statutes that have two different standards for how someone is found disabled. The VA standards come and regulations come under either 38 USC, that's in the US Code, okay, the 38th title, or 38 CFR, which is the Code of Federal Regulations, okay? And so that's for VA. For Social Security, it comes under 20 CFR, etc. Okay, so the 20th title of the Code of Federal Regulations. And of course, the implementing statute of Social Security disability insurance benefits is the Social Security Act of 1935. Okay. Anyway, two different statutes, okay, two different sets of regulations, two different standards, okay? The VA standard is much more flexible. The VA standard, in my opinion, looks at more information. The VA standard, in my opinion, is fairer. Well, what do you mean, DeRollo? How is it fairer? It's fairer because you can be partially disabled under the VA system, or in the VA system. You can be partially disabled. You can have problems with your back and with one of your shoulders, okay, and only be rated at 60 or 50%, carry on with work without a problem, and receive your benefits. In contrast with the Social Security disability insurance benefits scheme, what we're dealing with is a system that is all or nothing. It's literally first past the post. You win, you get everything. You don't pass the post, you don't cross go, you don't collect $200, you don't collect anything because you've lost, okay? To put it more clearly, it's 100% or 0% for Social Security. That's the only way they rate somebody, either disabled or not disabled. You either get an unfavorable decision or you get one of the two versions of favorable decisions, but those are really the only two options, and it's really two options, even though you can have partially favorable, fully favorable, but effectively you have favorable decisions and unfavorable, and that's it. Okay, that's a significant difference. That's a significant difference that affects how you build a strong case for Social Security disability benefits. And once again, how do you best prepare for that? You call an experienced Social Security disability lawyer like yours truly, and we will help you. Okay? So the next part, we're going to talk about some more of the differences with the two standards, but we're going to focus on the Social Security disability standards. Thank you. See you next time.